Okay, this red triangle goes next to the yellow square, and the green circle goes above the blue rectangle.
Go behind the chair.
Take 3 steps forward.
Hey, let's play Simon Says. When I say Simon Says jump, you jump. When I say Simon Says shout hooray, you shout hooray. But if I don't say Simon Says first, don't move. And that's how we play the game. Are you ready? Simon says jump. Simon says, touch your toes! Simon says, stomp your feet!
Stomp, 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 stomp.
Wiggle your ears! Did you wiggle your ears? I didn't say Simon says. Let's play again. Simon says, hop like a frog.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Simon says, shout hooray! Simon says, slap your knees! Roll your eyes! Did you roll your eyes? I didn't say Simon says. Let's play again. Simon says, fly like a plane! Simon says, moo like a cow. Simon says, wiggle your fingers. Touch your nose. Did you touch your nose? I didn't say Simon says. And that's how we play Simon Says.
Have you ever wondered what happens when you place two mirrors at different angles? As you can see, with a smaller angle, the number of reflections increases and creates a never-ending optical illusion. Who knew science could be so fun and mesmerizing?
I am big.
Ready to do it? 1, 2, 3, go! What do you want? I want. Very good. I want some chocolate. Some chocolate.
Time to make a circle.
Make a circle, big, big, big. Small, small, small. Big, big, big. Make a circle, small, small, small. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle, round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Make a circle, round and round. Hello, hello, hello. Make up, down, 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 up, up, up. Make